to another unboxing video. Happy New Year, and let's kick off this year with quite an exciting little package.
Little?
No, it's not little, but
It's our first massive hoodie unboxing, which someone seems to have already been into. That's probably blocking the camera.
that was probably me.
Is it? Okay, so we decided to go for a load of different hoodies for different people. And we're basically replacing these, which came out blurry, which apparently was down to the print file. But Printful very kindly gave a refund for these two that didn't come out right. You can see there's like bleeding taking place and the colours merging together. So I'm not going to use those. And I'll kick it off with the basics.
The basic.
The basic hoodie, the original. Print file seems good. That's one. And should we open it?
Yeah. Oh, the leaf one.
The leaf one's quite a popular one.
A lot of shooters wanted this one.
Who's this one for? Do you remember?
Is it Chanel or is it Ibram?
Ibram's got a leaf one already, the grey one.
Oh,
This might be for George. Biology, isn't it? So.
But Chanel wanted the leaf one too, didn't you? Or was that something else?
This is Chanel's. This is Chanel's, yeah. Oh wow. Okay. I'll give it to her on Saturday. Yeah, not bad. This was the first one that us guys wanted.
I prefer this in terms of how it's come out.
Do you think that's just down to, like, because we've had these for a couple of months now? They've probably been for a wash or two, right? Maybe have a look.
Maybe.
You'd hope so, anyway.
No, I don't know. Like, I think it's a little.
It's brighter, isn't it?
A little brighter, yeah. And I don't think this has really changed that much.
No, well,
I don't think these have changed. So I think these
in that case, it's an improvement.
Maybe it is the file. Maybe it was to do with the file. Because when you.
Yeah, I've redone them all.
Yeah.
I've still got a few more new designs to upload with all the icons and stuff. Alright, that's the leaf one. Yeah. Now we ordered one each for us, the first white hoodies.
Oh yeah.
And we couldn't decide which one we wanted. So we got one with the speech bubble.
Oh yeah.
And
you wanted that one, didn't you?
I kind of wanted the atom one. That's the one I wanted. That's one side.
Well, I wanted the atom one. I didn't want that one. But
I wanted the atom one too.
No, I remember you saying.
I said I want. Well,
you wanted the speech bubble one.
I wanted both. Should I just take both?
Well, let's have a.
Oh, I'm hoping that logo is on there. Something about the first wash and some discoloration, and it will disappear afterwards. But let's see. Go on. Fine. Add some wash.
I'm a physics nerd, so I do like.
Yeah.
I do like me atoms.
Yeah, this change in print file's done wonders. Look at that.
Yeah.
The difference between them, you can see that. Yeah, they're a lot clearer. That's really nice. Yeah. I'll hold up my one first. There you go.
Okay.
It's more of a slightly beige than a little bit of yellow tint to it, isn't it?
Yeah, I wouldn't call it white.
No.
Are you disappointed that it's not as white as?
Kind of. This says medium. Does this look like a medium? It looks massive to me.
It looks like a medium to me, but
That
wait.
looks...
Comparison. That is the same size.
Alright.
It
I'll
is
have to
the
try
same
it. It does
size.
look...
No, it is the same size.
I know, but it looks bigger than a medium than the ones I've been... than this. Alright, anyway, we'll look at that in a bit. So they're the ones we were looking forward to the most. Mainly because they were ours.
Yeah.
Alright. You want to do one? Don't know what that is. We'll have a look.
Magnet.
Oh yeah.
What was that for?
Magnet was for... I don't remember.
Daniel?
Probably Daniel, physics. Or did I get that for Jamie?
Maybe.
What size is it? It's a large.
It can't be Jamie.
Maybe
Daniel.
Jamie.
I think.
It might be for Rupa.
She's in a magnet.
I think so. I can't remember. Anyway, do you want to open it? While he does that, we can compare previous to the new. So there on the left is the old one, and on the right is the new one.
Here it is. Magnet.
It's nice. It is brighter, isn't it?
Very simple.
I couldn't decide whether to have the magnet facing up or facing down, but I think that's the right decision.
I have no opinion on this.
Yeah, no, I didn't think you would.
Maybe.
It's only something I would worry about.
Yes.
Yeah.
I still prefer the black. I think black is.
I don't know. I like the white. I do like the white, but
See, I like that bit, but then.
yeah, I mean, mono. You can't go wrong with monochrome. Like it's just
Yeah. This one fits with more things,
Especially we take one trip across the road to Nando's and this is ruined.
basically. Yeah.
All right.
Or curry, weekend curry. It's gone.
It's just anything.
Um,
So that's the speech bubble one that got replaced. And the compass one that got replaced for that bleeding that we saw earlier seems to have been solved as well.
yeah,
Which is good. That's
for-
perfect. That's Surid.
That's sort of.
The maths teacher. Right, the compass. So that there wasn't confusion between compass and protractor, wasn't there?
Speech bubble.
So that's for Juba. Alright, 11 plus year 4 teacher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's just.
I can't tell if it's the printing that's got better or just because of the file. Because this doesn't even look like DTG. This looks like an actual screen print. Doesn't it? Wait, is this a screen print? No, it can't. No, it's not. But it looks like it.
Yeah, it's very dense.
Yeah.
This one's really dense.
Maybe the file was just really big. Yeah. I'm sure I'll be happy with that. I'll give that to him on Saturday. That's Tuber's one. What's left in the box? Just one.
And then
And
there
that
was one.
is
Oh. Ooh.
Atom version 2. Can you go for that?
I can see why you prefer it in blue.
Yeah. Thing is, because we're on a Printful we've got a print for the count with all of our stuff in the shop. It means they give us three orders a month at 20% discount. So this is like a back order of a few months worth of hoodies. Not as white, is it? Compared to, what was the other one we were looking at? Magnet
and was it Leaf? Do
you reckon it's the file? There's a difference there. You can see that. Either way, still
See,
good.
this reminds me of this. There's a level of
Yes,
whiteness.
and do you know what? These are the ones the files I didn't change actually, because these came out alright. So maybe I have to redo those as well. That's the long thing about this, you've got to redo.
Yeah.
And because it's not one image, I've done two separate images. I've got to duplicate, replace it, and then you're going to make them separately for the colour ones versus the black and white ones, obviously, because they're different files. So it does take a while to do. Still haven't done all of the icons. But, yeah, no, I prefer this.
Yeah. Yeah, for this...
For this particular design,
Yeah.
I'd go for the white one.
Because you want a bit of contrast in it. Because otherwise it's like blobby.
Yeah,
Sort of.
and otherwise everyone's got black and grey as well.
Who's this for?
This,
Was that Daniel?
that's Jamie, I think. Jamie was like, I don't really mind which one, so I was like, well, he's even more of a physics nerd than us, so that's definitely the one to go for.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah. We're going to upload some more designs and stuff. We'll probably have a shot of all of them in a row coming up now. Okay, so that's the end of our massive hoodie unboxing. If you want to take a look at any of the designs and stuff, the link is in the description below. And if you want to look at our previous unboxing of our first ever order, it'll be coming up now.